Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to load paper to HP LaserJet M140w. So open the paper tray and unfold it completely to support your paper stack if the tray sticks past the edge of the table or stand. Next, notice the paper guides inside of the printer. You can easily move them to bring closer together or widen and align your paper stack using these paper size markers on the lid as guidance. To load A4 paper, widen the paper guides to maximum and insert your paper stack and push it until it hits the stopper inside, and then align with the paper guides, but don't press too much. Also, make sure that thickness of your paper stack is not over this line. This is the limiter, so make sure the paper stack is not too high. That's pretty it. Now just unfold the output tray and start printing. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.